Sinking ship. I forgot to add one. Okay. It's this. It has blue blood, so sorry. What could I do? Give me a moment, Okay, there it is. And pack some melon. So, alright, the boat is about to go! Okay, everybody, let's say... Wait a minute, I need to turn around. I need to turn this on. Wow, why is the boat shaking? Oops, that was my mistake. Sorry. Are you letting people fall off? No, because why would I? When the boat will start? Right now! Okay. Whoa. No! Give me a moment. It's 7:47. We gotta go. What if it hits an iceberg? Okay, let's just stop imagining. What's an iceberg? Go. Oh no, I'm gonna fall. It's too cold. Sinking ship. Burning. Whoa. Ow. Hey, yo, ow. Okay, what was that? Wait, let me close the door so Melon doesn't get any trouble. So what was that? I think we may have an accident and the sinking ship was gonna drown and it drowned a little. What if it hits a iceberg? So this is why there's something weird. Oh gosh. Come on. No! Stop being electrical. Now come on! Hey, what you putting me? Stop being dramatic. Leave me alone. Come here. Cactus is in charge. He broke the boat and then look what you did. Look what you did, Cactus. You break the door. And you're made the boat sink. You're making the boat sink. Oh no! Whoa! Oh no, that's so sick. Whoa! Goomba, Goomba, Goomba. Goomba, Goomba. No, 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 no. What you did? Now we're left one. Hey, wait for me now. Okay. 1 minute. Please. Oh, it's the police again. How come? I can't see anything. Yeah, I can't see. Oh no. I do not. I don't know what's happening. Maybe we still have. Okay, let's climb up again. Oh my god. The next episode is Sinking House. What is sinking house? But it's a different sound. It's sinking a flooding house. So a flood like this, and the window's gonna drown, and my characters are Melon and the baby. That's all. I mean, that's not all because we got more. Baby, and toilet. No, I'm not gonna use. Okay, sweeties. Gumma. You gotta stay awake because it's gonna flood. And you gotta go to the helicopter. It's nighttime. Go to bed. No, we gotta stay awake. Why? Because we are in a flood. That looks like a piece of... My God, where you going, baby? You can walk now. But unless it's gonna flood, but it needs to rain. That's that mistake I'm forgetting. So let's flood like this. A little flood. Let's just boom. The limit is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Actually 11 minutes because I can have more. I could have more than 15 minutes because I just created my account since my other account can't let me post longer videos. At least my channel's connected to... Oh my God, Nancy! Oh my God, very diarrhea. Flush it. Put it inside because someone farted a lot. Put 3 of them because... Ew. Oh no! Someone's gonna... Ew! I gotta get out of here! Guys, look in the bathroom. Ew! Someone farted. That was my baby because you have so many diarrheas. Wait a minute. baby. Get in. For what you have done. Why are you being so dramatic? I don't want him to die. He's literally gonna die in the toilet. Please. Ew! Come on. Let him die. Yeah. Yeah! Everyone, climb on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Climb on this. Oh my god. I'm Lenny. Ow, 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 ow. Give me back my dress. No what? I'm just a kid. No. That's better. No, baby. Little baby. Wait, no. I want my brother. He died because he poo-poo. Now let's see the baby. He's still alive. Oh my god, I gotta go. Ari. Okay, I gotta hurry. No! Jump over something. And cactus. What the? Jump on this. No, what you're trying to be. Yo, sit down. Can you please? Away. Go away. Go away. Please go. Oh my god, my toe hurts. Ah! Why? Where are you going? Stop. Where do you think you're going? Why do I flew or something? I mean somewhere because something. We're here. Oh hi. What are your age? Because mine is 12. Mine is 11. Mine is 23. Mine is 9. And these are 2 years old. 2 years old? We want them. Don't steal them. Get inside, because why not? Okay, let's get inside. Ow. Okay, we're waiting for the helicopter. Let's get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Ew. Get out. The helicopter is here. Let's get on the helicopter. Catch a bubble. The hamburger is here. Let's get out of here. What are you trying to say? I said, let's get out of here.